How to run TikTok ads in 2022. This is a TikTok advertising tutorial for businesses. TikTok has now over 1 billion monthly active users as of January 2022. 160 million videos are watched in an internet minute on the platform, and it's the most popular mobile app downloaded in 2020 and 2021. If you want to leverage that platform but don't want to spend all that time and energy figuring out an organic growth strategy, TikTok ads may be a great alternative. Today, I'm going to show you what you need to do in order to run successful paid ads on TikTok. Step 1, create and install a TikTok pixel. Similar to Facebook ads or Google ads and other ad platforms, when you install a pixel, that allows you to understand the user's behavior on your website. That in turn will allow you to segment those users in cohorts that you want to target with other ads. So let's say someone visits your website, goes through the checkout process, and doesn't complete their purchase. You'll be able to retarget that person with another ad, and that'll help you increase the number of conversions you get, because when they're on TikTok, they'll see it, boom, you can start making them convert. And here's a trick. Let's say you're selling a product or a service. When you do that remarketing ad on TikTok, you can show a video of what it's like to be a customer or use your product or service. That'll get more people to convert. Step 2, start with a very broad audience segmentation. Don't target a specific gender or age group. Let TikTok run your ads to a broad user group and let it optimize and deliver so they can find out later which audience are the most responsive. You should run your ads and wait some time for user data to come in so that you can optimize around the data so you can see what's working for your campaigns versus just jumping the gun. Step 3, use as placement only TikTok. Don't waste your time and money advertising on other platforms that TikTok offers. The real value is really on TikTok as a platform itself. Step 4, make sure to target only one interest at a time. When you're starting, you don't want to mix up things that have too many interests being targeted at the same time. If you stack different interests, you won't be able to understand which interests are creating the best results. It's better to target only one interest at a time so you can clearly identify which interests are the most profitable for your campaign and then expand from there. Step 5, ideally start with a minimum budget of $50 a day. This will allow TikTok to run more experiments with your ads and show them more audience in order to optimize your ad delivery faster. Step 6, cap your cost per conversion. Make sure that it's at least at break-even point, and that'll allow you to run ads and spend money and not lose it. Step 7, use TikTok's ad platform. They'll show you all the top performing ads on their platform so that you can learn what's working for other people and how you can model after those ads in your own business. That'll reduce the risk. Now, if you need help with your TikTok ads, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we help them with TikTok and all the social platforms out there, or even performance marketing. Or if you just have any questions on TikTok, whether it's paid or organic, leave a comment below. I'm here to help.